Hi fam, you're welcome back to our channel. In today's video we'll be sharing with you what our kids eat in a day. So if you are new here, we share food recipes that are not just kid friendly but adult approved. So make sure you click the subscribe button. We would love to see you again. Let's get straight into today's video. For breakfast we're having French toast. So to 1 egg I'm just going to add liquid milk, then I'll add in vanilla extract followed by a bit of powdered cinnamon and then a spoon of sugar. I'm going to give all of this a quick mix until everything is well combined. As usual, a full list of all the recipes I'll be sharing in this video would be in the description box, so do well to check it out for the description and then the quantity. And at the end of the video, make sure you drop your thoughts in the comment section on what you think about these recipes. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. So we're just going to give this a really nice mix until everything is well combined, and then we'll move to fry. Now in a pan you're just going to add in a bit of butter, and then spread this out so that the whole surface of the pan is coated with the butter. And then to our mixture you just dip in a slice of bread. So you can use already sliced bread, or you can buy the full loaf and then slice yourself, but you just dip it in, allow it to soak in a bit, and then you place on the pan just like you can see. Guys, this is one recipe our kid loves a lot for breakfast, and I'm sure your children are going to love it too. Even adults also love this recipe. Once this has fried a bit on one side, you can do a really nice flip to the other side and then allow to fry. And guys, when making French toast, you want to be sure you are doing this on low medium heat because you do not want your bread to burn. So once this is slightly brown on both sides, as you can see, then you know your French toast is ready. You just set that aside. We'll be doing another batch so you can see. So a bit of butter to the pan, allow it spread through the pan, then you soak in your bread in your mixture. Allow this soak in for a bit, and then you drain the excess off, and then you place your bread in the pan. Allow this heat up on both sides for a few minutes until it is really brown and nice, and then French toast is ready. Fam, this is a perfect breakfast recipe for both adults and kids, and then we'd love to know, have you had French toast before? Is this how you make yours? Let's get your thoughts in the comment section. This is perfect to serve with a cup of tea, and then breakfast is served. For lunch we are going to be having pasta. So to a pot of boiling water we'll add in some salt and then add in macaroni. Yes, we're going to be using macaroni. We'll drizzle in some oil because we don't want the macaroni to stick together, and then you just cover, allow this to boil. So this has been boiling for about 10 to 15 minutes, so we'll just put it on a sieve and set aside. Now to a pan, you want to drizzle in some vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, you are going to salt a bit of chicken breast. You can use any protein of your choice, but I'll be using chicken breast. I just cut into tiny cubes for this, and then you would add it into your oil. You do this on really high heat because you want it to cook properly, and then you would keep stirring so it doesn't burn. Once your chicken breast is brown like this, you know it's ready. I'm just going to add in some onion, chopped onion, saute it together, add in some curry powder and a bit of thyme. Give all of this a really nice mix until everything fries properly, and then we'll add in our tomato paste. So this tomato paste is basically tomato, onion and pepper. So we'll just add this paste, allow it fry properly. You know your sauce is well cooked when you see that the oil is beginning to separate from the paste. So when the oil begins to separate, you know this is fully cooked. I'll be adding in some leftover veggies I have. So this is basically carrot, sweet corn and green pepper. I'll add this in, give everything a really nice mix, allow it to fry for a bit, and then I'll move on to season it. I'll basically be seasoning this with seasoning cubes and some salt, and then give a final mix and allow to fry for a bit. So next I'll be adding in some chicken broth I have available, which is just chicken stock I have available, just to loosen it up a bit before I'll be adding in my macaroni. So guys, if you've been watching till now and you have not yet subscribed, please guys, do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell, so whenever we upload yummy recipes like this, you get to see it. And if you are a returning subscriber, as usual, thank you so much. So we'll be giving this a really nice mix until everything is well combined. You really want to mix this properly because you don't want some part of the food to have more sauce than the other part. So you have to be really patient and make sure you mix this properly until everything is well combined. So this is what our kids will be having for lunch today. You can feel free to serve this in their lunch box, even if it's their school lunch box. This is a perfect lunch recipe that they are going to love. By the side, we'll just be adding in some fruit to make sure that they are having balanced diet. For fruit, to be giving them watermelon. And then guys, this is lunch. So for dinner today, we're going to be having yam porridge. We'll put some palm oil in the pan, add in some onion, give this a really nice mix, and then we'll be adding in our tomato paste. A quick meal prep tip: I always have this tomato paste available because it makes cooking way easier for me. Whenever I need it, I can just bring a bit out. So I'm going to be adding in some curry powder and thyme, which is totally optional. You give this a really nice mix and then allow to fry for a bit. Next, I'll be adding in some seasoning cubes. Give this a nice mix also, allow it fry properly, and then I'll be adding in some smoked fish. So you can use any fish of choice. You can use meat for this porridge recipe, but I'll be using smoked fish. I'll add in some salt, enough salt to cook my porridge completely, and then I'll allow this fry a bit more. Once this is frying for a while, I'll add in my yam. So as you can see, my yam is raw, but I've cut it into tiny cubes, and then I'll be adding in enough water to cook this porridge completely. Give this a final mix so that everything is well mixed before you cover and allow to cook. So this has been cooking for about 20 to 30 minutes now. I'll just move on to mash it a bit. My kid is still very small, so I want him to be able to chew on this properly. So I'm just going to mash this a bit so that the yam pieces is a bit smaller. I'll be adding in some crayfish I blended with water, and then I would allow this cook some more. So guys, this is what dinner looks like for us today. Our yam porridge is ready and dinner is set to be served. So guys, it's time for the taste test.
Alright, this is my job. I have a taste, but let's Mimi taste it first.
You're excited.
How does it feel? Okay, let me taste it now. But the fish, they allow the fish
to what?
To be plenty.
Okay.
This really tastes good. I hope you are going to try this
for more.
You see, he's really looking for more. So I think this one I'm going to devour it right away.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not, make sure you subscribe, turn on notification bell, so when we upload videos like this, you'll get to see it. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.